fleets alive, each one with its own unique sound. Some built for cinematic flight, some built for freestyle day or night. All of them ready to take to the height. Every pilot knows the feeling deep inside. That connection to the sky you just can't hide. It's not about the gear or the name on the side. It's the trust between your thumbs and the open wide. Yeah, it's all about the feeling when you glide. Headed straight for that gap in the tree. This is the part where they'll see me. Inverted, hanging upside down, dancing with branches spinning around. Flicks and loops, watch the pop spin. The tension builds as I dive in, then skimming the water, tasting the spray. Ripples below, I'm leading the way. Dives and spins where freedom begins. This is the moment the pilot wins. Twisting through the sky, feeling the rush. In the air, there's no need to hush. Acro mode, a tempting game. I forgot my number, forgot my name. Punch it hard, watch it scream. Living our lives like a pilot's dream. From the highest peak to the lowest tree, this FPV life was made for me. A crash is a memory in the making, but right now there's no mistaking. Walk of shame, but I don't care, no, I don't care. If I drown in the water or clip a tree, it's a story for you, a lesson for me. Top dog, FPV, don't care. Turn and dive, headed for the ground, weaving through, prop spinning round. This is the moment I've found. Alright, pilots, a truth you should see. Learning the skill was so hard for me. It broke my ego and made me humble. Like fried electronics, a moment of stress. I burned the stack and wrecked the motor, cracked the lens and killed the feed. A bench of parts and doubt in my head. These tariffs hurt my wallet more each day, and now here I wait for the slow boat to arrive from China. Every cent is tuition, every crash is the class. Walk of shame, bent frame, another chapter past. Props in the dirt, but the spirit won't break. Tree magnet, gravity check. Learn from mistake. Desync, fail safe, concrete slap. Pick it up, fix it up, back to the map. Crash and learn, that's the code, that's the way. Tuition to the sky, better every day. Grab the soldering iron, learned every tool, till I heard that startup tone, my heart began to cool. Ask myself, why spend this cash to fall and fumble? But now I get it, I understand the why. The rush of the flight that touches the sky. Now I'm soaring high, living the dream. Tell me, pilots, what do you fly? What's your style? The smooth and slow or the ripper's trial? Each has a purpose, a feeling, a sound. What about you? What have you found? It's not just a drone, it's pure fun. The feeling of a fighter pilot when the day is done. Pushing fast and low, licking the grass, kissing curbs, making the good times last. Buzzing the tower, pushing my luck, weaving under trees, making the good times last. One more send, one more flight, burning through the day and night. From the ocean spray to the mountain high, we're taking this FPV to the sky. But when the sun is high and the shore is bright, that's when I chase the waves in the light. Cutting the surface, feeling the speed, gliding on water, planting the seed. This is the part where I feel so free. Carving the ocean just for me. When the world is sleeping, dark and deep, under the stars I live the dream. Take my rig out, feel the night air, a different danger, a different dare. I hope you do too. Final run, give it all. Ready to fly, ready to fall. From the clouds above to the ground below, this is the life we choose, and we own the show. Throttles down, the flight is done. Touch the ground, the battle's won. Top dog, FPV pilot, living the dream.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.